We are Team Glucosense from Clemson University, and we have worked with clinicians in Tanzania to invent a novel, low-cost glucometer system for those with diabetes in resource-poor settings.
Glucometers and test strips are diagnostic tools used to keep track of blood sugar levels. Frequent glucose monitoring allows those with diabetes to better manage their disease, which leads to a healthier life. Unfortunately, due to high costs, diabetics in resource-poor settings often do not have access to monitoring equipment. Donated glucometers and test strips are sometimes available, but each glucometer only works with a certain brand of test strip. That means that donated equipment is often never used. To help solve this problem, we have invented a low-cost glucometer that uses test strips printed from a modified inkjet printer.
First, clean ink cartridges are filled with specific enzymes and dyes. Then a word processor and printer are used to layer the enzymes and dye onto filter paper. To perform a test, a droplet of blood is placed onto the printed strip. The sugar in the blood reacts with the enzymes and dye to produce a color change. Then, the test strip is placed into the meter where an LED shines light through the strip. A detector on the other side measures the amount of light that reaches it. This changes linearly with the concentration, providing an equation to calculate the sugar level in the sample. Accessible components and simple manufacturing allow this system to be produced in resource-poor settings.
Our design will impact the economy in a number of ways. First, it will lower the cost of testing equipment to consumers. Over 1/4 of Tanzanians take home less than $12 per month. Traditional test strips cost 10 times this amount each month per person. With easier testing, the financial burden of complications due to uncontrolled diabetes is also reduced. Finally, our simple manufacturing techniques allow for local production, which adds value to the economy by creating jobs. We look forward to continuing our partnership in Tanzania to bring Glucosense to those in need.